Recently, we here at ATL & Co. we took a trip down to Morrow, Georgia to check out the most unique auto shop, and you have to see it to believe it. The Signature Repair Auto by Perry L. Smith proudly serves the Atlanta area and surrounding communities with exceptional auto repair services, and they've been doing that for over a decade. Recently, I had the pleasure of meeting Perry and his fine crew at his luxurious shop. Check this out. There are massage chairs. You guys, watch this. Thank you so much for having us here. I'm so excited. Perry L. Smith, the Signature. For our viewers that don't know, y'all, this is not your regular auto shop. Tell us about it, Perry.
Well, we wanted to create something that just made people feel great. You know, this is my effort to give my best effort when people come in to have a place that's better than home, you know, that makes them feel like we care.
I was gonna say, I walked in the door, it feels exclusive, it feels elegant, but you can also get your car repaired. So it gives you a little bit of everything. You specialize in full engine repair. Tell people what that means and why it's different from other places.
What we do primarily here is replace engines. So if anyone has knocking, ticking, whatever noise they are, and they have engine-related problems, we're it. I mean, we're gonna give our best effort. We have offer up to lifetime financing. You know, we're just the company that puts engines in Georgia. We put in over 8,000 motors. And so we love the opportunity to have an impact to help someone during the time when their engines are out. We are here to say they can trust us. We're gonna make sure it gets out. We're gonna make sure they have a great warranty. We're never gonna purchase a motor that has high mileage on it. We're gonna be honest. And so people want that relationship where they can feel comfortable and honest about their auto repair.
Tying back to what you originally said, this place feels like home. You're gonna take care of people like it's their home. And you mentioned it, cost is top of mind for a lot of people right now. Yeah. You have financing options. Yeah. Tell our viewers what those are.
Yeah, so we have financing options if you have challenged credit. If you can't get things approved, if you have good credit, you can go to your bank, right? But if you don't have that and you don't have the economical way, we have over 5 different finance companies that we work with to help people through these challenging times. And so we'll do our best to get them approved, and the majority of our clients use that financing.
You have a warranty here, a lifetime warranty. Tell people what that means, because sometimes you hear it, but it's not really what it says it is.
The traditional warranty on a used product is going to be from 30 days to 3 months. For the most part, that's it. They got one company kind of pushed everyone to 6 months. And so what I have created here is to start where everyone else ended. So I can offer you a warranty on your engine that's 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, or even lifetime. We're willing to stand behind our products like that. We're willing to stand behind our vendors like that. And we want to really develop that relationship. So can it get lifetime warranty on a new motor? No, you cannot. Can you get an unlimited warranty on a new motor? No, you cannot. But you can come here and get that here, because we replaced my motor 8 years ago. I still drive that car, 8 years from her. The longest I've had a customer call me and said, hey, you put a motor in my car, and that motor's bad now, so you guys better do something. I'm getting defensive.
Right.
I'm looking up, he gives me his last name, and this guy starts to laugh, and I said, man, I put that motor in 10 years ago. Really? Right. And he drove it, and he said, hey, man, my father gave me this car. He said, can I get another motor from you? And that's the truth. That's not, you know, things like that. But that's our commitment. We want to have a relationship that ends like that. It really doesn't matter where you are. Our services are so well, we would be able to service you from our location. Pick you up, bring your car here, and take care of everything you need. We're worth the drive and the wait.
What are the amenities that you can enjoy while also getting a top-notch engine?
So we thought about that before we designed this, and we designed this to have somewhat of a careful, more feminine touch. In the lobby, we bought a $7,000 chandelier that we put in, and then we have some beautiful art and things like that, and just kind of a modern feel to the lobby. But the thing that we were enjoying the most is our massage room.
We have people that will come here just for the chairs. Literally, if
I believe it.
Like I had a bad day, I'm going to the chair. And if they're my customers, I'm all in for that.
This is our #1 guy.
Oh, I've heard about you. Give it up, #1 guy. Full service right here. Thank you so much, Perry, for your time today. They are a delight, a joy. Thanks so much for having us. Be sure to check them out at thesignatureautomotive.com. And thanks to Signature Auto Repair for sponsoring that segment. Go visit them, will you?